First number is 12, so that's going to be dot, dash, 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 dot, dot, dash, dash, dash. So it says the first digit, which is 1, the second digit, and then it puts it together. It says the full number, it says this is less than 70, so the motor does not turn on. Next number is 45. So dot, 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 dash, dot, 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 dot. Alright, it says 45 is less than 70. Again, it did not turn on. So next, let's see if I can focus this better. There we go. Next we have 67, which is dash, dot, 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 dash, dash, dot, dot, dot. So it says number 67 is less than 70. The motor did not turn on again. So now we have 78, which would turn on the motor. So we have dash, dash, dot, 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 and then dash, 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 dot, dot. Yep. You see the motor turning. It says this number is more than 70. Now 90 should continue it turning, and to do that, it is dash, 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 dot, dash, 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 dash. And again, it says this number is 90, it's more than 70. And then just to show that it keeps turning, to show turn off again, if I do 55, it's easy to do. Dot, 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 dot. And that turns the motor back off. This is Scott Bergman and board 36.